Welcome to Furry Physics Teacher. Today we will solve another physics problem. Please like, share, and subscribe. This problem solving is on the topic of vector addition. A fisherman in a small boat encounters shifting winds while navigating through the waters of the coast of Palawan in the Philippines. He sails 2 kilometers east, then 3.5 kilometers southeast, and finally travels an additional distance, as shown here, in an unknown direction. His final position is this, which is 5.8 kilometers directly east of his starting point, which is near the island of Coron. Find the magnitude and direction of the third leg of the journey. Draw the vector addition diagram and show that it is in qualitative agreement with your numerical solution. The resultant vector or displacement is from the tail of the first vector. The first vector or the tail of the first vector is the starting point, which is the start point here, to the head of the last vector. So the last vector is the third leg, and the head of the last vector is on the or at the finish line here, at the finish or the end point. The displacement vector, as you can see in the diagram, has a magnitude of 5.8 kilometers from the starting point, and the direction is towards east. This is vector A, which is 2 kilometers east. This is vector B, which is 3.5 kilometers, 45 degrees south of east. And this is the third leg, which has an unknown direction. Using vector addition, the vector R or the resultant vector is equal to the vector sum of A plus B plus C. Now again, we use the component method in adding vectors to solve this particular problem. Again, the resultant vector R, as shown in this diagram here, is equal to the vector sum of A plus B plus C. So we get the components of each vector. The x component of A is A cosine 0, because as you can see, the x component is just going to the right. Hence, the angle it makes with the x-axis is 0 degree. So the x component of vector A is 2 kilometers. Now, the y component is A sine 0, and sine 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, the y component of vector A is 0 kilometer. And as you can see in this illustration here, vector A is just along the x-axis. Hence, it doesn't have any y component. Now, vector B is at an angle of 45 degrees below the x-axis, and it is on the third quadrant, as you can see here. Hence, the x-component of vector B is B cosine 45 degrees, and that is 2.47 kilometers. And similarly, the y-component is B sine 45, but since the vector is on the fourth quadrant, and on the fourth quadrant, the y component is negative. So we write vector b as negative b sine 45 degrees, which is negative 2.47 kilometers. Now, the third leg, so that the boat will be at this final position here. The third leg is unknown. So the x component of the third leg, which is vector c, is cx, and the y component is cy, which is unknown. Now, how about the resultant vector r? Is the resultant vector r given? You can see in the diagram that vector r is along the x-axis, and the direction is to the right, and the length of the arrow of vector r is 5.80 kilometers. Hence, Rx is 5.8 kilometers positive, and the y component is 0. So we write the component method equation. Rx is ax plus bx plus cx, and that is equal to Rx is 5.8, ax is 2, bx is 2.47, and cx is unknown. Now, since the only unknown quantity here is cx, you can solve for cx. And cx will be equal to 5.8 minus 4.47. And that is 1.33 kilometers. That's the x component of the third leg. Similarly, we can get the y component of cy. Again, we start with ry is equal to ay plus by plus cy. And as you can see on the table on the third column for the y component, ry is 0, ay is 0, by is negative 2.47, and cy is unknown. Hence, the only unknown here in the equation is that of the y component of c. Therefore, the y component of c is positive. Now, as you can see here, the x component is positive and the y component is positive. And if you look at the diagram here, the third leg is along the first quadrant. And on the first quadrant, both the x and the y component is positive, which is what we have here in our final solution. Therefore, the x component is 1.33 kilometers and the y component is 2.47 kilometers. And using the Pythagorean theorem, you can get the magnitude of the third leg, which is 2.81 kilometers. And the angle is 61.7 degrees. We got the angle from the equation arctan cy over cx. Now, how do we describe the direction and magnitude of the third leg? Now, as you can see in the diagram here, if we draw the Cartesian coordinate system at the origin of vector C is along the first quadrant, and This is north, south, east, west. And this angle here is 61.7 degree. Therefore, we say that the third leg is 2.81 kilometers, which is 61.7 degree north of east, because the angle is measured from east going north. So we say north of east. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.